Yankees Outdoor Adventures, and I interrupt your normal broadcast for a special announcement. There's a pandemic on the loose, but don't be scared. You can help. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, and you can help with the cure. Every time you subscribe to a channel and ring the bell, you help with the cure for low subscriber syndrome. So please help, and Michael, roll them bumps.
Barney rides in the front. What is it with this weather? It's June, it's like 60 degrees out here. It's friggin' cold. What an amazing live broadcast. It gets me all pumped up. I also realize I'm gonna have to go home and change my clothes. I'll feel a lot better when I'm wearing the right things. Woke up this morning and I was feeling really good, and then I left the house and I knew there was just something wrong. And this is it. This is the problem. Not Slayer particularly, this is one of my favorite shirts, but black goes with everything. I just match too much. And I can't be excited about my day looking all matching. Gotta fix that problem. That's a little better. Wouldn't it be awesome if I could get a purple striped shirt with an orange hoodie and some green pants? I mean, that would be fantastic. You know how good I would feel about my day if I could find clothing like this? We're gonna figure this out. There has to be a major clothing company out there who understands that some people want to dress to accentuate their inner beauty. Let's see if we can find one. Let's see here, Abercrombie and Fitch. 869 global stores, 40,000 associates worldwide, and 3.4 billion in sales. They have a diversity and inclusion and sustainability, and Abercrombie and Fitch gives back. So Abercrombie and Fitch seems like a company that would care about folks like me who just want to make sure that people know I'm beautiful on the inside. So let's take a deeper look. Men's fashions. There's some very nice stuff here. Let's take a look at their women's. So one of the first things that I notice about this website for Abercrombie and Fitch, there isn't anyone pictured anywhere on this site that's within 20 years of my age. Do people my age not buy clothes, Abercrombie and Fitch? I'm just wondering. Also, everyone in these pictures matches. All of the clothing is very kind of gray toned and earthy tones. There's no bright colors. It's kind of disappointing. What about somebody who really wants to accentuate their inner beauty? There's nothing here in Abercrombie and Fitch that gives you the opportunity to do that. I'm not sure what Abercrombie and Fitch is going for. I mean, how is a guy like me supposed to look at this website and feel good about himself? Abercrombie and Fitch apparently has a commitment to diversity and inclusion, which I'm hoping also means people my age. I want to wear clothing that doesn't match. And I know there are other people out there who also want to accentuate their inner beauty. I've had people tell me this is only a man thing. Well, that's crazy. There are plenty of women out there who want to accentuate their inner beauty. Looking at the Abercrombie and Fitch website, they seem like a very forward-leaning company. They're committed to social responsibility. I'm committed to social responsibility. They're committed to being inclusive. I'm committed to being inclusive. They really seem to like activewear, and I love activewear. This seems like the perfect fit. Knowing how committed Abercrombie and Fitch is to social responsibility and inclusiveness, I can only assume they didn't realize there were people my age. And with all the gorgeous models in their advertising and matching clothes, I can only assume they aren't aware there's people like me out there who are really trying to accentuate our inner beauty. These oversights by Abercrombie and Fitch, I am committed to ending today. We are going to make them aware that people my age exist, and some of us want to wear clothes that accentuate our inner beauty. I am humbly calling on all of you to help me bring this oversight to Abercrombie and Fitch's attention. And here's how we're gonna do it. Tweet Abercrombie and Fitch at Abercrombie and tell them about these oversights. And include the hashtag AFInnerBeautyLine. Make sure to include my Twitter at Feyrer. Share this video with anyone who is also beautiful on the inside like me, so they can join the movement. I know with your help, we can bring this oversight to Abercrombie and Fitch's attention. Abercrombie and Fitch, I am willing to help in any way that I can on the design and launch of this new line, and I'm also available for modeling. I want to thank Yankee for that amazing intro and bringing our attention to LSS. It afflicts us all. Make sure that you check him out with the link below in the description. He's a fantastic content creator. So have a great day, find your adventure, and I'll see you in an hour for the live show.